Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to install a closure. Alright, so you have the closure, and the first thing you can do is that you can start sewing your weave-on to a point before sewing your closure on, or you can also decide to sew the closure first before starting with the sewing. But with this particular video, I started with a weave-on sewing to a point, and then I stopped to fix my closure on before I continue with the rest of the sewing. Okay, so you have to adjust the pins on the closure firm to the dummy head, and then I'm going to pull the back of the closure firm enough. When pulling the back of the closure, make sure that there's no airspace under the net. Make sure everything is lying down flat, and then use your pins to adjust the closure. Okay, so once it's secured, you can use a clipper or a band to hold the hair in place, so that when you are sewing, the hair wouldn't disturb your work. Alright, so we are going to sew from one end to the other, and then continue with the sewing from the other side. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Your sewing should be very close to each other when you are sewing the closure on the net. Okay, the spaces you leave in between should be very close. Yeah, so once I'm done with this part, I'm not going to extend the sewing from the U-shape area. I'm going to pause over here, and I'm going to turn the other side of the closure, and I'm going to sew that side down. The reason why I'm doing that is because when you are sewing, sometimes you end up having the other side becoming longer than the other side. So when you finish with one side, you have to pause, start from the other side, then you are good to go. Alright, so if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. A lot of people have been asking how many times you are supposed to subscribe. Please, if you have subscribed already, you are part of the Oma family. But if you are new here, kindly look below the video and click on the subscribe button. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to extend and then pull the back of the closure to make it very flat. Yes. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to continue with my sewing. Okay, so you are going to sew till you get very close to where the closure is, and then you are going to sew the hair so close and firm. Okay, so once you are done, you can take your band off. Yes, so this is what we are coming to do. I'm coming to cut the lace in front of the closure out, and when you are cutting, please be very careful. Okay, and after you are done, you are going to take a scissors or any tool that you will work well for you to cut the outer net out. Okay, so we are cutting the net, the black net under the closure, so that the closure will lie very flat and it will look natural. Okay, so with this particular video, we wouldn't talk much about bleaching of knots or how to twist your closures. We are going to leave it for our next video. So please, if you want to be part of the next video, kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. It has not been bleached. And it has not been twisted or pricked. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe and then stay tuned. See you some other time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.